How to fix login error in Reem Taxi application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem in the application, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on a control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data to connect to a network that is actually working. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any kinds of internet issues. However, if you're facing any kinds of login errors after this, you can simply tap on Settings, go to your General, and tap on iPhone Storage. Here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Reem Taxi application. It's the app we're looking for. Simply tap on it and tap on Offload app. Tap on Offload app again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the application, you shouldn't be facing any kinds of login errors. However, if you do face any kinds of problems after this, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.